Welcome to this video on the top 10 fascinating facts about your skin, the amazing organ that covers our body and protects us from external threats. From its surprising functions, to the fascinating properties, human skin is something that we all take for granted, but is truly remarkable. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 fascinating facts about your skin. The human skin is covered with millions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and mites. These microorganisms are collectively termed the skin microbiome and help maintain healthy skin function by interacting with the skin's immune system. However, when sweat, dirt, and dead skin cells accumulate on the skin surface, they create an environment that can stimulate the growth of certain skin bacteria. When the bacteria break down sweat molecules, they release a distinctive body odor. This is why hygiene is so important in maintaining fresh-smelling, healthy skin. Goosebumps, also known as piloerection or the pilomotor reflex, are a physiological response caused by the contraction of tiny muscles called the erector pili muscles that are attached to each hair follicle on our skin. When we experience cold temperatures or strong emotions like fear, stress, or excitement, the contraction of these muscles causes each hair to stand on end, which gives the skin a bumpy texture, known as goosebumps. Scientists believe this reflex may have evolved in early mammals as a way to make their fur stand up to appear bigger and more threatening in order to intimidate predators or signal to others that they are energized and alert. However, in humans, it is more of an inherited trait that is no longer functionally useful because we don't have enough hair to make us look larger. Skin can actually smell certain scents, including citrus fruits. Although humans primarily rely on our noses to detect scents, recent studies have shown that certain scents can also elicit a response from our skin. Researchers have found that certain odor molecules can activate a family of receptors called olfactory receptors that are commonly found in the nose but also present in other parts of the body, including the skin. When these receptors are activated by odor molecules, they can trigger a response that is separate from the signals processed by the traditional olfactory system. For example, skin exposed to the scent of lemon has been found to increase humidity, indicating a sweating response, while other scents might trigger inflammation or other responses. However, the extent to which skin is capable of smelling compared to the nose is still unclear, and this is still an area of active research in the field of sensory neuroscience. Skin cells communicate with each other through tiny bubbles known as extracellular vesicles, which contain proteins, lipids, and other molecular information that can be exchanged between cells. The vesicles can be shed from the cell surface or taken up by another cell to deliver their contents, allowing cells to transfer signals and communicate with each other even if they aren't in direct contact. This mechanism of intercellular communication has been found to play a key role in a variety of biological processes, including immunity, wound healing, and cancer progression. Your skin can produce up to a pint, 16 ounces, of sweat per hour in response to high temperatures, exercise, or other activities that cause your body to heat up. Sweat is mostly composed of water, but it also contains salts, like sodium and potassium, waste products, and other substances that your body needs to expel, such as toxins or excess water. Sweating is an important cooling mechanism that helps to regulate your body temperature by releasing heat through evaporation. This is why you tend to sweat more in hotter environments. Your body is trying to cool down and maintain a healthy internal temperature. Additionally, sweating can also be caused by emotional stress, anxiety, or spicy foods, and can vary depending on factors like age, gender, and overall health. Your skin can detect even the slightest change in temperature. Our skin contains specialized thermoreceptors, sensory nerve cells that are sensitive to changes in temperature. These receptors can detect even tiny changes in temperature, as slight as 0.01 degrees Celsius, allowing us to sense the difference between a warm breeze and a chilly breeze, for example. When the temperature changes, these nerve cells send messages to the brain, which processes the information and allows us to feel and respond to temperature changes appropriately. This ability to perceive temperature changes is crucial for our survival and helps us stay comfortable and adapt to different environments. Your skin can stretch up to 25% of its original size. Skin is a very elastic material, meaning it has the ability to stretch and expand without tearing. Under normal circumstances, the skin can stretch up to 25% of its original size and still return to its normal shape without causing damage. This is due to the presence of a protein called elastin, which gives skin its stretchiness and allows it to handle the stress of movement and expansion. However, in cases where the skin is stretched beyond its elastic limit, as can happen during rapid weight gain or pregnancy, it can lead to the formation of stretch marks, which are scars that form when the skin's connective tissue is damaged. Some sources estimate that up to 70% of the dust in your home is actually dead skin. This is because we constantly shed dead skin cells throughout the day, and these cells can accumulate on surfaces like floors, carpets, and furniture. Additionally, skin cells that are shed outdoors can also contribute to the amount of dead skin that is found in dust and other environmental samples. In fact, studies have estimated that dead skin cells make up about 1 billion tons of the dust in the Earth's atmosphere, which is a significant amount. Despite this somewhat uncomfortable association between dust and dead skin, it's important to note that shedding skin cells is a normal and necessary process for healthy skin function and renewal. Interestingly, researchers have found that skin cells contain their own internal clocks that run on a 24-hour cycle, and are influenced by the body's master clock. This means that skin cells change their behavior and function according to the time of day. For example, studies have found that skin cells are more able to repair damage from solar radiation at night, when they are less likely to be exposed to the ultraviolet rays of the sun. This research has implications for the development of new treatments for skin-related disorders and for helping individuals to maintain healthy, normal skin function and appearance. The outer layer of the skin employs spy cells called Langerhan cells, which alert the immune system to harmful viruses and other germs. Langerhan cells are a type of immune cell that reside in the epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. These cells play an important role in the immune system's response to harmful microbes and substances that may enter the body through the skin. Thank you for watching this video on the top 10 fascinating facts about your skin. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Human skin is an incredibly complex and magnificent organ with functions far beyond what we experience in our daily life. So, the next time you feel a scratch, a tickle or a sunburn, remember the amazing job that your skin does every day to protect and to serve you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.